Let me go with the fourth problem here. Right, if the sum of a number and its 2/5 is 70, the number is, right. So what they have given, the sum of a number, right, and its 2/5. So let the number be x, because we don't know the number. So let the number be x, right. So the sum of a number, so x, and 2/5 sum, so plus 2/5 of the same number, that is x, is equal to 70. Now take a LCM here in the LHS side. So 5 is the LCM here. So now what happens here, this will become 5x plus, when you divide 5 by 5, 1 into 2x is 2x is equal to 70, right. 5 plus 2 is 7x by 5 is equal to 70. Now when you transfer, so the denominator side of LHS, denominator to the LHS, it will be in the numerator, that is going to be 70 into 5, right, that divided by 7. So numerator, this is numerator, will come to denominator, and denominator will goes to numerator, that is x. Now so what happens here, 7 ones are 7 tens are. So therefore x is equal to 10 5s are 50. So option B is the right one.